Everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add code to header in Duda site editor. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on settings, and in settings you want to click here on header HTML, and you can just easily add the code here which you want to add. And I don't know what kind of thing you want to add there, but this is how you can actually do it. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Whew, this is good. This web editor is another level. It's perfect. Like, guys, Duda is perfect. It's like Squarespace combined with a Weebly, combined with a Shopify.